Tired of losing money in the market? Want a simple yet powerful strategy to turn the table? Introducing Fibonacci Magic. This easy-to-use technique combined with one technical indicator can help you spot potential entry and exit points with precision. Today, we're tackling the incredible Fibonacci Retracement tool, and trust me, it's not as complicated as it sounds. So, you've probably heard of the Fibonacci sequence, right? Well, this powerful tool comes straight from the famous number pattern, and it will help you spot potential support and resistance levels like a pro. Now, traditional traders use a specific Fibonacci ratio like 23.6%, 38.2%, 61.8%, and 78.6% to draw these levels. But we've got a secret weapon up our sleeves, a unique set of Fibonacci ratio that have proven to be absolute game changers. Our team has spent countless hours backtesting and analyzing these numbers, and we've uncovered a gold mine. We've identified some mind-blowing key levels like 33%, 66%, and 133%. That will supercharge your trading strategy and give you an edge over the competition. By adding these secret ratios to your trading toolkit, you'll be well on your way to mastering the markets. So buckle up and get ready to take your trading game to the next level. You'll probably notice that nifty Fibonacci retracement tool on your trading platform, but let's face it, these standard lines can be overwhelming. Who needs all that noise on their chart? To make things easier and way more effective, we're going to streamline the process for you. Forget about those complicated standard levels. We're simplifying things by focusing on three powerful levels: 33, 66, and 133. These are our secret ingredient for success, our golden ticket to better trades. And to make these levels stand out on your chart, we'll color code them. Red for 33, yellow for 66, and white for 133%. Now, you'll be able to spot them at a glance, making it a breeze to find those perfect entry points and maximize your profits. By stripping away the unnecessary noise and honing in on those three crucial Fibonacci levels, you'll be well on your way to conquering the trading world and making your bank account very happy. So get ready to embrace the magic of simplified Fibonacci. It's time to transfer your trading game. Let's talk about market waves. Think of the market like the ocean, with its ebb and flow. Just like the sea, the market experiences two types of waves: impulse wave and corrective waves. Impulse waves are like those strong directional waves that you can surf on, while corrective waves are the ones that seems to push against the main current. Our goal here is to ride those impulsive waves and steer clear of the corrective ones. Now, a corrective wave is the one that goes against the prevailing trend. Imagine the market is generally trending upwards. A corrective wave would be a temporary dip or a small move to downside. That's where the Fibonacci retracement tool comes in. We draw it on the corrective wave, so we can hop on board the impulse wave, where the moment is high and the profits are ripe for the taking. In an uptrend, for example, we'll select the high swing point of the corrective wave as our first point for the Fibonacci retracement tool. Then, we'll pick the low swing point of the same corrective wave as our second point. By connecting these points, we'll reveal the Fibonacci retracement levels. With this strategy, we'll use the 66% level as our entry point. the 33% level as our safety net or a stop loss, and the 133% level as our target, the sweet spot where you can potentially reap some fantastic rewards. Now you might be wondering, how do we figure out the trend's direction? Well, there are numerous methods, but for this strategy we're going to be use the trusty Repster EMA clouds indicator. First, go ahead and add it from the indicators section. Next, we'll make a couple of quick adjustments to fine-tune the settings. Locate the input section and let's tweak the last EMA length option to 90, 100, 200, and 300. Then we'll change the source to close. Lastly, enable the EMA cloud 4 and 5 and disable the rest. With these custom settings, we're all set to determine the trend's direction with a glance. When you see the price candles floating above both clouds, that's our signal for an uptrend. The bulls are in control. On the other hand, if the candles are hanging out below the clouds, that tells us we're in a downtrend and the bears are calling the shots. Alright, let's take a look at this example together. We've got an uptrend in the market, so it's time to wipe out our Fibonacci retracement tool. We'll draw it from the top to the bottom of the corrective wave. And voila, we've got our three key levels, 33, 66 and 133%. Now we wait for the price to break above the 66% level. This is our signal that the impulse wave is strong enough to keep on going. Next, we need to protect our trade. So, we'll set our stop loss below the 33% level or near a swing low in the area. Finally, we'll aim for the stars, or in this case, the 133% level of Fibonacci retracement as our target. And there you have it, folks. A simple yet incredibly accurate entry and exit strategy that's sure to make your trading journey a whole lot smoother. When it comes to sell trades, the process is pretty similar, but in reverse. You'll want to look for a downtrend with price candles hanging out below both EMA clouds. It's time to bust out the Fibonacci retracement tool once again. This time, we'll draw it from the bottom to the top of the corrective wave, and boom. Our three key levels are back in action, 33%, 66% and 133%. Now we wait for the price to break below the 66% level, which tells us that the bears are in control and it's time to hop on that selling train. To protect our trade, we'll set our stop loss above the 33% level or near a swing high around the area. For a take profit target, we'll aim for the 133% level of Fibonacci retracement.